Looking for the best iron to keep your clothes crisp and wrinkle-free? In this video, we've rounded up the best irons in 2026 that deliver powerful steam, fast heating, and smooth performance for every fabric. Stay tuned to find the perfect iron for your home and laundry needs. Starting at number 1. Rowenter Professional Steam Iron. The Rowenter Professional Steam Iron is designed to deliver expert results at home, featuring advanced built-in boiler technology that provides an impressive steam output for effective wrinkle removal. With a wattage of 1,800 watts, this steamer iron utilizes high-pressure steam and a 400-hole micro-steam soleplate to ensure efficient performance. It boasts an extended water capacity with a 1.1 L removable tank, allowing for longer ironing sessions without the need for frequent refills. Additionally, its lightweight and maneuverable design facilitates smooth handling during use, making it ideal for both ironing and crafting. The durable construction includes a leak-proof design and a CALC collector, ensuring lasting performance without water leaks. Available in a stylish blue color, this programmable steamer iron is a reliable choice for achieving professional quality results at home. Number 2. Rowenter Master Steam Station VR8338. The Rowenter Master Steam Station VR8338 is a powerful steam ironing system designed for efficient wrinkle removal and professional quality garment care. Its 1,750-watt heating system, large 57-ounce removable water tank, and stainless steel soleplate with 400 micro steam holes help deliver even steam distribution and smooth gliding across fabrics. The built-in pump and powerful steam boost provide strong wrinkle-removing performance, while the precision tip helps reach tricky areas such as collars and seams, making this a versatile choice for handling large amounts of laundry. Number 3. CHI Steam Iron. The CHI Steam Iron for clothes is a powerful garment care tool designed to make wrinkle removal quick and efficient. With 1,700 watts of power, a titanium-infused ceramic soleplate, and more than 400 steam holes, it provides smooth gliding and strong steam performance for tackling stubborn creases. The iron also features a vertical steam burst for hanging garments, electronic temperature control, an 8-foot retractable cord for convenient storage, and a 3-way automatic shutoff for added safety. Number 4. Rowenter Steam Force Pro Steam Iron DW9580. The Rowenter Steam Force Pro Steam Iron DW9580 is a high-performance garment care tool designed for efficient wrinkle removal and smooth, professional-looking results. With 1,850 watts of power, a smart screen with 5 automatic fabric presets, and a stainless steel Microsteam 400 HD soleplate, it provides precise temperature control and even steam distribution. The iron delivers up to 50 g/minute of continuous steam and a powerful 250 g/minute steam boost for stubborn creases, while anti-drip protection, vertical steaming, and anti-CALC technology add convenience for everyday clothing care. Number 5. Rowenter Pro Master DW8360. The Rowenter Pro Master DW8360 Steam Iron is a powerful garment care tool designed for fast and efficient wrinkle removal. With 1,775 watts of power, a stainless steel soleplate, and 400 micro steam holes, it provides smooth gliding and even steam distribution across fabrics. Its powerful 210 g/minute steam boost, precision tip, anti-drip protection, anti-CALC system, vertical steaming capability, and automatic shutoff make it a versatile option for everyday ironing and tackling stubborn creases. Thanks for watching our list of the best irons in 2026. We hope this guide helped you choose the perfect iron for wrinkle-free clothes. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.